Hello everyone, my name is Hanish Kumar and I am pursuing postgraduate diploma in industrial management from National Institute of Industrial Engineering in Mumbai. I did my schooling from Government Model Senior Secondary School in Chandigarh and completed my bachelor's in mechanical engineering from Punjab Engineering College in the year 2010. After completing my graduation, I joined Jayaprakash Power Ventures Limited and worked for 31 months as a senior engineer in a 300 megawatt hydroelectric power project. There, I had to lead a team of 4 engineers and 25 tradesmen to oversee operations, maintenance, installation, and repair of all the mechanical equipments and their auxiliaries. It was my responsibility to plan the annual preventive maintenance schedule for the smooth operation of the power plant. I had to coordinate with state and northern region load dispatch center to achieve daily generation target. Part of my job also required me to manage inventory of spare parts, tools and equipments and also the procurement of the same. I achieved many accolades and appreciations from my management for my outstanding and consistent performance. I also received excellent rating in performance appraisals for 2 consecutive years. At NITI, I learned the subject of principles of organization management. It taught me about various theories like organizational management, which states the importance of various components of an organization, theory X and theory Y managers, which tell us about the two thinking patterns of managers in general. My experience helps me to relate to these theories. For example, I would say there is no absolute theory X or theory Y manager. All managers have a shade of both personalities. At the same time, there are theories like Three Idiots Crossing a Valley, which helped me to learn the dynamics of teamwork and helps one to devise ways to tackle crisis situation in an easy manner. Now, after my completion of the course, I will be ready for my new job and responsibility as a manager. I learned from the principle of organization management about theory X and theory Y managers and personally believe that a manager should behave and take decisions as per the situation and not based on any preconceived notion. In this way, excellence can be achieved easily at personal as well as organizational level, which will take everyone in the organization to the zenith of success. By an exercise known as Three Idiots Crossing the Valley, which you can read from my blog, it is very much clear that everyone in a team should trust each other and every individual should be competent enough to take responsibility and act equally so that a crisis situation could be easily managed. The theory of three monks emphasizes on the concept of job specialization and product efficiency. Once again, thank you for watching my CV, and for more details, please read my CV, and to know my views on organization management and teamwork, do visit my blogs. Thank you.